Ngayon po tawagin po natin si Toshi, batchmate po ni Miko mula po sa Don Bosco.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I'd like to extend my condolences to the wife, the brothers, and of course to Dr. Adelen. Batchmate po ako ni Miko nung grade school up until first year high school in Don Bosco. Actually, wala na po kasing slot sa Assumption. Kaya sa Don Bosco ako nilipat ng parents ko. Gusto ko lang kayo patawanin. And Mix, napakagwapo mo pala in person. Napakagwapo niya po pala in person. Nakikita ko lang siya sa TV, tsaka sa Instagram. It's so nice to meet you. Ay, nako kami ko, of all the times na magkikita tayo ulit, you're there. But you're supposed to be here with us partying. Thrice ko ata siya naging kaklase. Grade 1, grade 4, and first year high school. And I would always remember that magkasunod po kasi kami ng birthday. So like ko naaalala na magkasunod kami ng birthday. October 18 siya, I'm October 20. Which is your wedding anniversary. See, I know. That was one of the saddest days of my life because you got married on my birthday. So yun. But anyway, I just wanted to say that Miko is one of the nicest. I'm not saying this in front of his family, his wife, and all of you. Pero sobrang bait po talaga ni Miko. Makulit, yes, but sa akin, because at that time, syempre pag batang Becky ka, during the 90s, medyo hindi pa siya ganun ka accepted during that time. But he was one of the nicest boys to me. And actually, siya rin na may kasalanan ng pagiging notorious ko sa Don Bosco because he asked me to perform, to sing sa birthday nung principal namin. So, yon. So, simula nun, medyo naging notorious na po ako sa Don Bosco until I was forced to leave. But that's for another story. And then he knew that I was always in Singapore because I have cousins who live there. And then sabi niya, ikaw hindi ka nagpaparamdam pag nasa Singapore ka. So, the last time that I was there, I met up with him. He treated me to lunch and coffee. Kahit mabilis lang, hindi dapat siya sa 2-hour. He only had a 2-hour break from work. But it was really good to catch up with him. And also, I've been seeing him quite often when we were planning for our alumni homecoming that happened last year. And sobrang impressed ako with how he handled the whole event. Talagang single-handedly, meron siyang mga desisyon that were unpopular with the alumni, but he went through with it. He pushed what he wanted to happen. And I'm so thankful that naipilit niya yung gusto niyang mangyari, which was for the best. And now it's shocking that he passed away so soon because syempre ka-age, we're both the same age. So it dwelled upon most of our batchmates na medyo malapit na tayo sa exit area compared sa entrance. And I'm so happy that in these past few years, I got to spend time with Miko. I got to, catch up with him and get to know him again. And unfortunately, when I go back to Singapore, there's one friend less that makikita ko doon because I promised him na, sige na nga. Like, pag pupunta ako dito, I will let you know. But then, unfortunately, it may not or it will never happen again. So, Miko, please. And one more thing, meron ako nakitang IG story dun sa IG account, The Magic Mikul page dedicated to his passing. And meron dong isang nire-share na IG story na ang tawag sa kanya nung isang friend niya was congressman. And I believe that kung nag-pursue siya ng politics, I believe he will have a future because sobrang ma-PR niya talaga. Sobrang ma-PR, sobrang machika. And I believe that's a Libra thing siguro. Na, you know, we very ano kami with people. So yeah, again, Miko, it's really sad to see you here instead of here with us, partying, having fun. But we all know that you are in a better place. And please look over us, especially your wife and kids, your mom and your brothers. I know you're happy with your dad and with AJ in heaven. I know you're partying over there too. And magkikita rin tayo, but not soon. Again, maraming salamat po. Makes, it was nice to meet you.
Toshi, maraming salamat, Toshi. So, isa pa lang picture na pinost, yung finlash natin, Toshi, is sineselebrate din yung birthday mo. Ayan. Toshi, maraming salamat.